Are you facing a temporary cash crunch and wondering if the Credit Genie Cash Boost is a safe way to bridge the gap? Today, we are breaking down exactly how this app works, the hidden costs seniors need to look out for, and whether it's a smart move for your retirement budget or a dangerous trap for your hard-earned savings. Every single one of you watching right now needs to listen to me very carefully. If you are retired or if you are standing right on the doorstep of retirement, you are living on a fixed income. And when you live on a fixed income, every single dollar has a specific job to do. But what happens when life throws you a curveball? The car breaks down, a medical copay is higher than you expected, or the grocery bill leaves you flat broke a week before your next Social Security check hits your account. It is a terrifying feeling. I know the fear that keeps you up at night. It is the fear of running out of money. It's the fear of having to ask your children for financial help, or worse, the fear of bouncing a check and watching your bank hit you with a massive $35 overdraft fee. And that is exactly when you see it. An advertisement on your phone or your computer for an app called Credit Genie, promising a cash boost of up to $150. The ad says there are no credit checks. It says there is no interest. It tells you there are no late fees. It sounds like a financial miracle, a gift from a genie lamp right when you need it most. You think to yourself, what harm could it do? It's just a little bit of money to get me through until next month. But I want you to stop right there. Because in the financial world, there is no such thing as magic. When an app promises you free money with zero strings attached, you have got to stand up, put your guard up, and look at the fine print. So let's answer the ultimate question. What exactly is Credit Genie, and how does this cash boost really work? Credit Genie is what the financial industry calls an earned wage access or cash advance app. It is designed to link directly to your checking account, analyze your regular income deposits, like your payroll or your Social Security benefits, and offer you a small advance on your next deposit. For first-time users, that advance is usually very small, maybe $20, $50, or $70. If you borrow it and pay it back successfully, they might eventually let you borrow up to $150. The app proudly screams that it features a 0% interest rate. And technically, that is true. They do not charge traditional interest. But do not let that fool you into thinking the service is free. This is where so many retirees get tripped up, and it breaks my heart because it is entirely preventable. Here is the real danger for anyone on Social Security or a pension, the automatic repayment trap. When you accept a cash boost, you agree to let Credit Genie automatically withdraw that money back out of your bank account the moment your next deposit hits. They control the trigger. If your Social Security check deposits on the 3rd of the month, Credit Genie takes their money out on the 3rd of the month. Imagine you are already struggling. You borrow $100 to get through the end of this month. On the 3rd of next month, your Social Security check arrives, and Credit Genie instantly sucks $100, plus fees, right back out of your account. Now, you start the new month $100 short. What are you going to have to do 2 weeks later? You are going to have to open the app and ask for another cash boost just to survive. That is not financial freedom. That is a vicious, agonizing cycle of debt. You become trapped in a loop where you are constantly borrowing next month's money to pay for this month's mistakes. And if your account doesn't have enough money when they go to pull their payment, you risk triggering an overdraft fee from your own bank anyway, making your financial situation twice as bad as when you started. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? How do you protect yourself and your retirement? First, if you currently have the Credit Genie app on your phone and you are paying that bi-weekly fee, I want you to open the app, go to your settings, disconnect your bank account, and cancel the service immediately. Stop letting $10 a month bleed out of your retirement fund for a service that is keeping you dependent on advances. Second, we have got to build a fortress around your finances, and that fortress is called a cash cushion. I don't care if you have to start with $5 a week. Put it into a separate savings account that is completely disconnected from your daily spending. If you can save just $20 a month, by the end of the year you will have a small emergency fund that belongs to you. No fees, no apps, no automatic withdrawals. When the unexpected happens, you become your own genie. You borrow from yourself and you pay yourself back with zero interest and zero fees. If you are facing a true, Immediate emergency right now, and you cannot wait. Do not look to an app on your smartphone. Turn to your community. Look into local senior assistance programs, nonprofit organizations, or utility assistance grants that help low-income seniors bridge the gap during tough months. There are resources available that do not require you to hand over access to your checking account. Your financial security in retirement depends entirely on your ability to control your income. Do not give that control away to an app. Stand in your truth, protect your fixed income, and remember that you have the power to create a secure, independent financial future.